na omani bra bring nyina ne se krobia epese womo enemi omo coach no as early as possible. Yes. Anase Kotoko no se negotiations na ntimi ankosi de esesia ane opanyina ne din ade Stanley angofo kura start friend Stanley Kwaku Menzo no ebekoso na wakochi team no abja pesa me champo
Richard do pepe shall raise the fella.
Me no kasa sisi coach at the team ade Stanley Menzo. Yeah. Kotoko board of directors led by the board chairman and or executive chairman. On Monday, coach is on managing director of sports on coach. No, I was Asante Kotoko and come dear for the next coach. No, almost done. The end of catch us coach in if South Africa.
Yes,
I always tell you something. Information you need young high home. One thing we can never do. Say okay, me bomb it because of South Africa. Na tom. Na nka me bomb it of South Africa no mko obi ofri Egypt na me yende. Na de chamba na makase. Aya munya botre mfama ya wate adwuma ne ye no. Se udi utirimu fan eye adwuma. Na bia no kore na na busapanyi odi bema ahwefo no. Abusa panyi me jam.
Richard do pepe shall raise the fella man.
Asante Kotoko. Initially, they wanted a Dutch coach.
Yes.
Dutch coach ni demands. Baby anu ojina baby akotoko ojina no Japan emu wa papa. Da bia am catch us Lazarus any sikani ne kuna na da mu. Enu bi na na da mu.
Okay.
Menzo sold the idea to the coach say a project any yakwakoye. Na such a huge project e pese di animo no. Kotoko no as a club omo enye bi enti nka coach ne ntiase no omo fo omo ntoma mpama no fa ntoma bebo media no na nka omo mienu no ba ya adwuma no with the hopes that omo prove what they can do at the Kotoko company for na Asante Kotoko company for will be willing and ready to ensure say one ma omo what they are looking for, but coach na ntiase coach ne de akirema or budget the SWG. And no animal Japan coach no free Netherlands, no, and no Akoto Dino. A free on the catch us Stanley, no, or a lot of links. Out South Africa.
Sure.
If any Dean, why not at first because of South African men's with the South Africa for say names, no. Oriana Echo so Edding, come on, Japan, Commodian, on your opinion, at the table Ngamani. Tabo Ngomeni, or a former South African footballer. Tabo Ngomeni. One and coach, no, and no Edika Edinko, Medasa Pa, we a Tabo Ngomeni.
Wow, the picture no.
The picture no.
Fantastic.
I retired from a good Yirima or a coach. And Commodian, of course, not Tabo Ngomeni, or you're interested in the Kotoko job. What dim Fieno 57. But the needed qualification they were Asante Kotoko you want to pay. Oru and the enya mai silence is no. Onyanya.
Okay.
Why ya won social won krata bi bia the moment Stanley Menzo I realize it's a taboo. Ngomeni. The qualification into managing head coach. And for Asante Kotoko Kabiru Medasa pa. It's a CAF B diploma 2024. Oh yeah, no. And what to license A no. But license A no, and one certification enya mama di no. And Asante Kotoko, it decided say they will look elsewhere. It tabo ngomeni di no. The penny eno Kotoko ede apre atu bebia womo ede atu machi.
Fantastic.
Now Kotoko still searching for a coach. Stanley Menzo me send the links for South Africa with Japan no she. Na me sure say obekai Eric Tinkler.
Nice one.
Eric Tinkler.
Yeah.
Eric Tinkler ura no ni din e wo Ghana ha. Ni din wo Ghana ha. AFCON 2002. the Sean Bartlett Eba shared the only goal. I think that goal was scored at the Amakum end of the field. And South Africa Eddie Ghana free. So Kai Lucas Radibenum.
Yes.
So team no. No she. Eric Tinkler at the age of 55. Penny. Met my catch or say all things being equal.
Yes.
All else constant.
The original fella man.
Ceteris paribus. Asante Kotoko next head coach. Ayo opinion did Eric Tinkler.
Wow.
The South African. Eric Tinkler.
Wow.
Abujan komo ye die kira
Papa.
ye wura mache.
No be small.
Nyame adom information e kura. Eric Tinkler bisapanyi. Obo Vit University. Obo Unadi Tamo. Obo Victoria. Okobo Kayari. Obo Barnsley. Obo Caldes. And obo Benefit Waits. In 2007, obo bina urano a calling a quit. Eddie free agro room.
Yeah.
Now or a midfielder, so kaina. Eric Tinkler was a midfielder. For the South African national team, Bafana. About total of 45 games. 45 games. And opinion a boy at the South African national team. Ojai football no ball in 2007. No? And was shas say, oh yeah, the coaching badge and then the coaching license and oh yeah, Onyan intem. Now during the time all yeah, the coaching license in Umuno. And on Stanley Menzo Edinshemu our Netherlands.
Wow.
And they've kept that professional relationship from Sabrina Babisi Sabri. Eric Tinkler ni tiye ne first appointment of Japan, first appointment as a manager onya Orlando Pirates.
Wow.
Okochi Pirates between 2013 and 2016.
Yes.
Ofrio no ko Cape Town City. And oko coach between 2016 and 17. Oko Super Sports United. In fact, the Super Sports Eurem our CAF interclub competition. Ofrio about Cheaper United. 2019-2020 now our Marisbeck, South Marisbeck. Team former Asante Kotoko has of head coach and made up eco coach here. Why Marisbeck Juma and so Eda.
Wow.
And we're returning back Cape Town City. 2021 Ofrio 2024.
Okay.
Or joining Sekukune United. Sekukune. Wamo ena enei Samba Ndongani Unel Ekwakoye Juma Ediamomo Sekukune.
Wow.
Will take you over March 2025. And on the Omu season of the or the Omu the 5th. Se Kaduru Benya Sarveka League table no Diamaya. Eric Tinkler at the Sekukune at the 5th. And one episode twice. But the Kotoko deal, no Kotoko approach, no. The coach feels that Kotoko Foundation, no, near a bigger platform, near bigger.
Yes.
Again, what Stanley Menzo and come on in a day, Project Menzo a sell the amano. I convince Eric Tinkler.
Fantastic.
Se on free Sekukune United. MPM El Krobia Asante Kotoko. Metema Eric Tinkler.
Nice one.
Enti Uru Anabzapanyi Wajatum in principle.
Wow.
Yeah. And Kratasemi Bibia Yadia Eda Nakwem. Eti Eric Tinkler. Babaya Asante Kotoko next head coach.
Wow.
And go for say Ana Pepe, Ubu boy, and I won ye league. I won ye league. No kwasam sabu Japanese. Sekukune need to say Ukochi Swedro All Blacks. Sekukune need to say Ukochi enemy table club. So yamfa league je amfa entwitwi obi a no ho no nam no.
Yes.
Nye league je. But fifth place now, Unya last season, no. In the history of the club, it is a huge achievement. At the moment, say, Omutibidi fifth, South African Premiership, no. A huge achievement. At the coach, did Eric Tinkler. Now, me activate my sources. A room of South Africa, say, and it's your coach about development of players. Kotoko Dares, wants to be in the board, no far. Communications director and a spokesperson, man in him. Next year, Kotoko will not be chasing league titles. They will not be chasing league titles. The sort of recruitment that is upon your more than any baby. I got one nominal. As a communications director, spokesperson, what shall see concentration supporters and say, your projects, your coach, you have a man young talent. You want developers are young talents, Not the next 3 years, 4 years. After you go to Africa, bet with the ancestry, work as a CAF Champions League, Yeah, compete. In terms of communicating, I was upon South Africa League table, no. Say na ekowie.
Just end the season, no.
Say na ekowie.
United.
Mienu man Sundowns and Orlando Pirates.
Okay.
Kaiser Chiefs, they were third. Amazulu were fourth. Sekukuni were fifth.
With 43 points.
It way a team. And they even know say. One abawram. Omu coach on last season. Eric Tinkler. My money playing career. My money coaching career so far. Or no end of Japan. Or Asante Kotoko. Next head coach.
Fantastic.
Maybe a fella. And I'm the amount. I'm just playing some jump.
Richard Pepe Suarez.
Any Kotoko we are or Bada Bay. Asante Kotoko football director. Stanley Menzo. I was on a date yesterday.
And now 14th.
Because as a coach in the 16th. Obeba Ghana.
Yeah.
And I'm catching Oba Ghana on Makumasi Street to be the 2 days. Now I could see 18th. The 18th and as a 19th. Now Oba Kumasi.
Nice one.
And now your Eric Tinkler Avieno. Stanley Menzo ever channel one cry. No me no Bakumasi Abu Japan. And the 18th, 19th, now got called Timino a resume. No. Now boys, now by your medicals. No. By 20th, which is Monday, 20th, Monday, Jordan Airplane now what you know. Na Jordan Airplane. And Sunrise Jordan.
Yes.
It's general now what you yeah, because we see Jordan Airplane. And a 20th. Now, Omo say, woke up here, boy, 19th.
Yes.
Which is Kwesiada Ebe. Tene Jordan Akotko started pre-season. But medical say at the end of the 18th and 19th na chassis.
Monday.
Coach,
coming Monday.
Monday we know. Na Stanley Menzo. And Eric Tinkler. Stanley Menzo, Eric Tinkler, but you know more kabum. Aye, a Jumano Ediama crop ya Asante Kotoko metema.
Wow.
We a exclusive fella e cry. I wait to me at the 17. Ato yen ahefo ene ne tiefo no anim
original fella man Richard Pepe Suarez
abuja pensa me champion Heartfolk womo ene Swedish side and din ede Hemabi IF wonom sign a partnership agreement to be
wow
na ebe focus on Heartfolk youth project you know. Uzanana has new youth team coach, Ebrel.
Yeah.
Has any Hema before a signing agreement. In fact, a club I'll call Sweden of the Bay. Ghanaian boys ribe after almost system no more.
Okay.
Yeah, Ghanaian boys ribe after almost a system no Kai Nasir. Yes, Nas ebo Rainbow. Na jump team no. Answer na be Rainbow no never say. Mirefidino. Yeah, anti obo sa team no mu nyina akwakobo Hemabi. Heartfolk ne Hemabi IF. A strike agreement of Japan omo finalize ano no. So omo finalize we are has youth team players bebrebe nya opportunity. No makoso omo ho de ahwe e wo Hemabi. Sefa ebebomu na maybe has a sign in Vancouver and one Bundesliga club TSG Hoffenheim okay eti na TSG Hoffenheim and FC Cincinnati
yeah
minimba bi ekosi ye but but we a new one at the Continental Club Masters Glorious Accra Hatzefolk one and so a young woman abusha pensa me champo
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella
me be catch now say the board chairman of Hatzefolk will advance some money to Hatzefolk for them to defray Hatzefolk ne ho omo ka no
yes
matese his Royal Highness Togbi Afede the 16th one of the traditional overlord of the Asogli traditional area.
Yes.
Papa no actual check. Na check he wrote it in dollars. One in cities.
Fantastic.
A check has been issued to Accra Hatzefolk
Nice.
managing director. So now say when we say has MD no or set to Gwemrane.
Nice of him no.
And the chief, if the chief supporter of the club has not given up, how much more the Papa don't know him the free.
Nice one.
And the coach this is around $146,000 you know. And he really heading you know. Has a bit
Nice one.
outstanding salaries a boss season we now back could become check no ever cover and no
Fantastic.
players are almost signing on bonuses e bia kam onum ebetua
Wow.
service providers at the Hatzefolk ebi obi o a hotel and has an arrangement here or da ho obi o provided services Emma has or outstanding balances with Hatzefolk bi abso his Royal Highness assign check na check na da ho na ehumi se twe
Phobia. Phobia.
check no the envelope na pie eso do envelope
Enkom.
Hatzefolk check atogbe assign the am panyin for so mfanya team no abusu am se enko envelope o de hyemu a na pie
Nice one.
eno eye enkomodie wo ho a ye betimi ede amount eno nti Hatzefo players bi na Hatze pa abusu na mo twetwe mo in fact check man fan to just say omo transfer budget transfer amount budget no so na omo submit na eka sika na to we assign no
Wow.
nti say Hatze tua coach ne ka omo beba mema mu esa na mutim do omo sa left from bra meji mu sika na ready be fa ko
Fantastic.
it left back Aziz awo Sodro All Blacks na Hatze be wi
Wow.
Rudolph Nana Mensah Jr. ene Kojo entwiemu ba ko ya Kotoko en twetwiri mu mediama twetwiri se mediama ya no ma sign no ma je no has eba memem from Monday
Nice one.
phobia tiezi se gingei no mu si for no panyin futuro no kura katangrofo ani
Wow.
to gua sign check no eti eno e story a yebetimi eti ama abuja pesa me champo
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella
Dr. Kwame Chei Divine Chei Bodu